Hey guys, welcome to Hashcode. In this video, I'm gonna discuss some important points to create a responsive website using HTML and CSS so that it would be a platform-independent website and work same on desktop, tablet, and even on a mobile phone. So I've created a web page to demonstrate the same. So let's see. This is the normal view of this website or a web page. Or you can say a desktop view. So let's see the tablet view. When I reduce the width, you can see these options has been lined up vertically as they were horizontally lined up before. And the introduction has come on the right side of the screen. And this right column has also occupied its space at the bottom of the page. And when I switch to the mobile phone view, means I reduce the width some more. See, these options are vertically lined up on the full width of the screen, and this introduction part is below this, and this part is also set according to the width of the screen. So you can see the same website has turned different for different platforms, but no loss of information. So watch this video till the end to create yours.
Okay. Yeah, my friends tell me that the harassment I receive just isn't worth it. But the people that harass me are part of the reason I'm given purpose.
So on my page, you can see there are 5 divisions, which is then first the navigation one, then the left column, the intro and right column, and the last is the outer one that holds all the other divisions. So let's see the HTML code. So here you can see I have first defined the viewport of the page. So viewport is basically the area which is visible to the user, and it depends on different devices that what their screen size is. To set the viewport, there's a tag in HTML known as meta tag. Meta tag contains some constraints, that is name and content. So we have to set the name to viewport and content width. Width equals to device width, because device width is the property which is going to change when we switch to different devices, and set initial scale to 1.0. which is the zoom level when the first page reloads. So after setting the viewport, I have defined this other HTML tags like options and list and all this information. So there's nothing new in this. So let's come to the CSS page. On the first line of CSS code, I have styled the box sizing of each element to border box. This ensures that the total width and height of the element is the sum of all other styles like margin and padding of that element. And on the next line, I have created a class called all, which floats every element to which it is called to the left and padding to 12 pixels. So you can see here on my HTML page that with every div I have called this class all, so that every div is floated to the left and has a padding of 12px. Here are some basic tags like body and h1, so these are styled, different colors and all. And here on the navigation style, you can see that I have set the display to flex and the flex direction to row, so that it appears horizontally. And so moving on to the next most important part of the CSS code is this media. The media is a keyword that is used when we have to apply a condition, and when this condition is true, then the code is executed. So here you can see that I have set the max width to 1258 pixels, which means that when the width of the page will be less than 1258 pixels, it will change or override the following properties. So let's have a look to my page. So you can see when I change the width, you can see that when I change the width to less than 125 pixels, some properties change. You can see that navigation bar has turned to vertical bars, and this introduction has also changed its position. So let's see what has changed. So here you can see under the media keyword, I have defined some properties. That I have set the navigation to display flex and text direction to column with a width of 30%. So this is the reason that these options are being vertically lined, and other properties like intro with the increased width of 69%, and right column also with the width of 100%. So I'll show you the right column. This right column comes to the bottom of the page with a width of 100%. So you can see that when I reduce the width to less than 125 pixels, these properties are being executed. So I have set in another media to the width of 590 pixels, and for the mobile view. And here you can see I have set the navigation to width 100%. See, when I reduce the page to less than 590 pixels, then these options are being lined up to a width of 100% of the page and vertically. And these list items also come like a drop-down list. On the desktop screen, it appears on the left side of the screen, but on the tablet view and the mobile view also, it appears as a drop-down list. And all the other elements have been set according to the width of the page. Here you can see I have defined the intro and nav. So for the list items, I'll show you my code. So let's come to the HTML page, and here you can see under the options I have select tag, and this has list items, but these are not visible when I switch to desktop view. See, because I have set the display to none. Select so that it does not appear when the site is displayed as a desktop view. And here you can see under the media, I have set this select as display inline so that it appears with the navigation as an inline. And here also so these are some basic changes that I made in my web page to make it compatible for all the tablets and even for a mobile phone. So you can create yours too and let me know in the comment section. So if you are new on this page, please give a like, subscribe to this channel, and tell me in the comments. Goodbye.